let me show you how you can factory hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, 5 and 4. So for example, maybe you're selling your watch or don't need them or giving it to someone else. You need to basically reset it and delete all your information on it and all the stuff. But first, if you actually have your your mobile data plan, you actually need to delete this first in a separate way, because it won't be deleted if you go there and just reset it. So if you want to keep it, you can skip this, but to basically delete your mobile plan, swipe up and go to your settings basically. Okay, then click on your connections, find your mobile networks, okay, mobile plans, okay, click on that plan and you can click the remove button. Then once that's done, well, obviously if you want to do that, if you need to do that, you can again go to your settings and scroll down basically, general, and click on this reset option here. Okay, and yep, so it even warns you about this, all those mobile plans basically. If you don't remove them, and even if you reset it, they will still be on this watch. So if you are actually selling or giving it someone else, so make sure you remove them. Okay, then again, make sure you're okay, and you can simply click the reset button. Also, if you basically this process will delete pretty much everything on this watch and will recover, like return it to the factory state. So if you want actually some information to be saved, you need to be sure that you have it backed up. So you can either enable this automatic backup on this watch as well in the settings. So that's pretty much how I do it on these watches. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.